cover the design of the district. Our cover was 1,500 DPWH. Taking upon the Nabigana Workers Space together. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
Good afternoon. This is the second part of our procurement activities for today. Private conference of one civil works project, contract ID 24F400123. Before we proceed, I would like to acknowledge all the attendees of this private conference. Our back secretariat head, Engineer Roberosa Mata, our TWG head, Engineer Pinky Brooks. For the attendance of the back members, Engineer Aaron Arevalo, Engineer Richard Moy, Engineer Billy Hernandez, Engineer Story, Engineer Arita. The back is in forum, so we'll proceed with our pre-bid conference. And our representative from Planning and Design section, Engineer Ron Marco, will discuss the details and specification of the project. Contract ID 24F400123, name of contract, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multi-Purpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services. Construction of multi-purpose building at Bicol University-Polangui Technology and Entrepreneurship Laboratory Building, Polangui, Albay. Approved budget for the contract, 57,900,000 pesos only. Duration, 225 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders should be registered with and classified with the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board of PCAB with at least 3 CAB license category B or medium A. Amount of bidding documents, 50,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction and laboratory equipment requirements, 1 unit air compressor, 1 unit backhoe, 1 unit bar cutter, 1 unit bar bender, 1 unit cutting outfit, 1 unit diesel hammer, 1 unit drop hammer, 1 unit dump truck, H-frame and scaffolding, H-frame scaffolding, rental, 1 unit jackhammer, 1 unit 1 bagger concrete mixer, 1 unit plate compactor, 1 unit truck mounted crane, and 1 unit welding machine. The list of equipment required must be supported with proof of ownership, updated ORCR, and in case of leased construction equipment, the lease contract agreement should be contract and project specific, and also must comply with the required equipment capacity as per bid data sheet for this project. For the scope of work and specification will be discussed by our engineer from Planning and Design section. Please proceed.
Good afternoon. The Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multi-Purpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multi-Purpose Building at Bicol University-Polangui Technology and Entrepreneurship Laboratory Building, Polangui, Albay is an FY 2024 proposed project listed under the General Appropriation Act with an allocation of 60 million pesos. The proposed project is a two-story, 68.875 meter by 9.375 meter multi-purpose building with a total height of 10.64 meters. The space requirements of the proposed project consist of department head office with pantry and comfort room, conference room, faculty area with pantry and comfort room, male, female, and PWD comfort room, EE room, 4 lecture rooms at the ground floor. For the second floor, includes audio-visual room, male, female, and PWD comfort room, and 5 lecture rooms. The scope of works includes facilities for the engineer, general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, electrical works, mechanical works, and piling works. Second quarter CMPD of CY 2024 canvas prices plus the computation of hauling cost of aggregate materials from farm site to project location were used as reference in pricing material components of the pay item of work. Templates used for the preparation of POW, DUPA, and ABC are based on DEO number 163, series of 2015, standard forms of program of work, full budget for the contract, and detailed unit price analysis. Standard labor rates as of June 2024 for required compensation of manpower workforce, and ASA rate series of 2021 for rental rates and utilized equipment for the project. DO number 60 series of 2023, the revised standard pay item list for infrastructure project were used, and the templates used in the preparation of the plan are in accordance with DO number 55 series of 2020. That's all.
For further instruction to bidders, complete set of bidding documents can be acquired on July 18, 2024 until the submission of bids on August 6, 2024 at DPWH Albay, 3rd District Engineering Office during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Bidders can make payment for the purchase of bid documents at any DPWH field office. It may be also be downloaded from Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, PhilGEP's website, www.philgeps.gov.ph, or at DPWH website, www.dpwh.gov.ph. Cut-off time for securing the memo for order of payment is at 8:45 a.m. For the payment of fee to the accounting section is at 9:15 a.m. on or a deadline date for the receipt by the bank of bids on August 6, 2024. The technical and financial documents must be paginated, bounded, tab-marked, and properly sealed. Bid submission may be done manually or by electronically, and bidders should only select one mode of bid submission, by manual or by electronic. For manual submission, bidders shall present official receipt of payment. Only the owner, authorized representative, as reflected in the CRC, will be allowed to transact business relative to the bidding matters as per DO 197 series of 2001, and also must present two government-issued ID with photos and signature. Bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat on August 6, 2024 at 10 a.m. through either by manual submission at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office, Procurement Unit Office, Polog, Ligao City. For online or electronic submission at electronic bids _albay3@dpwh.gov.ph. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation of submission of an electronic bids are contained in the BDS, and late bid will not be accepted. Bid opening will be on August 6, 2024, right after the deadline for submission and dropping of bids at the Procurement Unit Office, DPWH, for Ligao City. Bid will be opened in the presence of bidder's representative, as per Section 30 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184, preliminary examination of documents. The bank shall check the submitted documents of each bidder against checklist of required documents to ascertain if they are all present, using a non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as stated in instruction to bidders. The contract will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidders, or LCRB, determined during post-qualification. And this office will implement DO 28 series of 2024 three-strike policy in the procurement of contract for infrastructure work, goods, and consulting services. And bidders are reminded, and emphasis is given that if at the time of post-qualification procedures, the bank verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to Section 34.3 of the 2016 revised IRR of Republic Act 9184 for DPWH Circular Number 06-2019 Guidelines on the implementation of early procurement activities. The procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any rights to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject to the bid. Bidders are advised to indicate their company official email address in the bidding documents. Official communication pertaining to this procurement after the opening of bids will be through the internet on said official email address as reflected on your bidding documents. And the DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure bidding, or not to award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 35.1 and 41 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184 without any incurring liability to the affected bidders. In addition, additional requirements, all project engineers of the contractor must be accredited by DPWH as per memorandum dated June 14, 2024 of USIC Adologic Advance regarding the implementation of assigning accredited contractors and consultant project engineers on DPWH project. Repair Section 3 of DPWH number 94, series of 2020. That ends our bid conference for today, and I would like to acknowledge all the adults of our live streaming of DPWH Albay District Engineering Office. Thank you very much.
Pag ano natin